So here we go. It's the second half of the day. It's 1:30. Time is ticking. From this point forward, I am not wasting any more time fishing for walleye, fishing for anything else but the biggest, meatiest, most aggressive pike I can get my hands on. So that's what the rest of my time till sundown is gonna be. The next 6.5 hours, it's all about catching a giant. I'll do what I can to keep casting big lures until I need a break. Then I'm still casting pike lures. Just switch back and forth through what I think will catch the biggest pike and see what we can do for the final showdown. Right now I'm just gonna have a cup of coffee and enjoy the beautiful scenery.
Well, that's gonna be a good walleye, dude. It's gonna be a good walleye. Oh yeah, it's a cullet.
Oh,
It's a cullet.
why didn't we come here earlier?
It's an 18. It's an 18.
I'm 18 and I like it.
That's exactly what we wanted.
You still got your minnow too, dude. She. Still got the minnow.
It's an 18, dude.
Still got the minnow. Don't be too big. Come on, be 18. Be 18 and I like it. Come on. Be 18.
Well, why don't we just do that?
Be 18. Oh. God bless it. So close. I know it's tough, but
That's hard to do.
there's gonna be 18s. That's the thing about the dam, is the small fish are 18s here instead of 15s, you know?
I'd rather be catching big ones than little ones, you know?
Yeah, and the small fish by the dam is an 18 or a 17.
Well, no, I'd rather be catching bigger ones than littler ones,
Yeah.
just for the fun of it.
Looking for giants though, dude. Searching for giants.
Oh no.
Oh, I love that sound. What is it?
Kevin snap.
What is it, Pop? What is it? Is it an eater?
It's gonna be a walleye.
It's a
dude.
big eater. It's an 18er. I feel it. Wally. Come on, Wally. Oh. Boo. It's a sack slapper.
Here I am trying to deal with a maneuver and I got a fish on.
Alright, that's the one I
Is
want.
that crazy?
Insane in the membrane. It's a big pike too. Or a big wally. Whatever it is. It ain't little. It's a nice thick pike. Another little jack.
Stop it.
Have fun with that. Oh, that's another mid.
It's 2-footer.
That's a 26-incher easy.
Dude.
It's 26-incher easy.
Insane. Insane. I had an equipment failure that I was trying to deal with.
And you caught a fish.
And I caught this.
Where else on earth does that happen?
That's a nice pike.
That is. That's a 26, 27. There we go. Dealing with a snag, catch a big fish. As long as I don't close the bail and snap it off. Like I did the last one. I won't. I know I won't. This is the one. It's gonna catch me a giant. It's gonna catch me a giant. Now we're cooking with butter. Now we're cooking with butter. Looked like a fish. Alright, now I got the right spoon on to get to the rock pile. There we go, that's more like it. Travel. Flying. Oh! Got one. It's another pike.
Eat my minnow. He did too.
Son of a... Not worth a minnow for a little 16-inch. Oh! Right at the boat. Right at the boat. That was crazy. Alright. I figured out where they're at now. It's a nice fish. Oh. Can I get the net, homie? That's a nice pike. Probably close to 30. Oh, and he got all. Well, so much for that. You guys got to see it hit both sides, but oh well. It was almost 30, just so you know. Now I know they're over on this scudge line. Oh, I got one banging at it. There we go. Oh, man, he hit like a ton of bricks. Hit like a ton of bricks. It's got to be a decent fish, upper 20s at least. He hit it like he's 4-footer. Yep, upper 20s. Oh, man. Can I get the net, please? Can I get the net, please? Let's go. Finally. Caught something. Upper 20s. Upper 20s pike. Upper 20s pike.
Dude, as soon as it hits the water, I'm getting
That's a nice fish.
fucking walleye.
That's what I'm talking about.
Did you steal my fucking minnow that fast? It did, dude.
That was awesome.
I'm in right now.
That's a way to start
As soon as it hit the water,
my
it stole
pike
my minnow.
chase. That's probably 26. Nice big head on him. He's gonna be big one day. Go get bigger.
That was our last walleye video. Oh, dude, he might have just stole it.
Nope. There he is. That might be the last walleye of the trip, folks.
Pike.
Or it could be an eater. Ooh, it might be a big pike, man. He's just pulling drag. Yeah, he's a pot. Oh, a nice walleye, dude. That's a 20-incher, dude. At least 20. Look how long that fish is. That's probably 22. What a beast. That's a beast. That's a 24-inch walleye.
You see how I put it right back to him?
Yeah.
That's a beauty.
That's a long fish, man. Look how long he is.
Wait till this one's coming.
Yep, smile. There you go. How big? 23? It's a beast.
Knock out these fish. Let's put it. You're good. You're good. What's that thing?
It's a pull knob. Oh shit, dude. God damn it.
What?
I stopped to fix that thing and I broke off on a rock. There goes my bulldog.
Oh no! That was my fault, dude. I'm sorry.
Oh well.
Damn it.
Wasn't catching fish anymore anyway. My bulldog now on the sharp rock down there. Cut my line, so this is my next biggest option. It's the right color. Should get the job done. I got a pike following the lure right now on the figure 8.
Oh no. Did you do that? Oh, I did that.
Did you just throw the rig without tying it? Oh. He was on the figure 8 and he left. Alright, well now I know they're going to eat this lure.
I rigged this without being in the bail.
Oh, it's the worst. That's why I always open the bail. Oh, I got one. That's a decent fish right there, dude. Oh, that's over 30 for sure. That's at least 36 maybe. That's a 36. Close to it, maybe a 34. That's a big fish, dude. That's a big fish. Oh, come on. Oh, I can't get him in the net. He's so big. Oh, yahoo. Dude, it's a beast.
That's all we stayed.
That's why I was throwing that lure. Yeah, buddy. That's a beast. That's a beast. That's what we're here for. Don't roll up in the net, please. Don't roll up in the net, please. Don't roll up in the net, please. Let me just grab you with the grabbers. Dude, what a fish. This is what we're here for. Look at that. That's a beast. That's a beast. I gotta get the hook out. You got the, oh, I got it. Oh, what a strong animal, dude. Oh, jeez. I won't hurt you. Just stay still so I don't hurt you. Alright.
Right there, yeah. Good.
37 and a quarter. 37 and a quarter. 37 and a quarter, folks. Whew. Oh. Get back in. What a fish, dude. Look at that fish. Yes, dude. Alright.
Catch him in.
the walleye spinner with a worm is catching nice pike. Non-stop action over here. Back at it.
Still feels good.
Yeah. That's probably scudge. Nature will take its course. Something's gonna eat that fish. Oh! First cast back at it. I got a fish. Oh, he jumped. Oh, that's a decent fish too, man. That's a decent fish too. What a battle, dude. A 24. You see, I got him on that middle hook instead of the back one. It's a thick fish. Can I get the little net, please? It's just hooked in the mouth. Thank God. Can I get the tool real quick over there? It's behind you. Thank you. And this pike just clapped it. Clapped it. I need him to open up though, so I can get the hook out. There we go. This gripper don't work no more. It don't grip anymore. Alright. Another pike on the board. Off he goes. Alright. Got a new SD card in. Ready to keep going. I'm going to cast the spoon for a minute, let my arms recover. Then we can get further with it. So maybe they're up in there. This one's easy on you as far as fishing goes. Just reel. It's a lot lighter than the big lures. And I got to cast them real far to get in there. So my arms need a break, but I just caught another one. I just weed through the small ones with the smaller lure, which is fine with me. It's a football field away. Swimming towards me. It's got to be an upper 20s. Feels like an upper 20s. Oh, he's getting close now. He's starting to fight harder. He's coming to you. It's a nice fish, dude. Oh! Now he's like, no, I see a net. It's a nice fish. Oh yeah, dude, that's in the upper, it's in the lower 30s.
Yeah, 30.
At least 30. Can I get the gripper? That's a nice fish. That's a nice fish. Oh, he's loose already. Nice. Nice. Get the lure out of there so I don't get hurt. Stop thrashing, dude. Let me just grab you.
Squeeze them and they won't thrash.
He's big, dude. That's a big fish. That's a nice fish, dude.
12.32.
I want to measure him.
Still let him go.
32.25.
Look at how green he is in the face, like that other one you caught.
Yeah. He's got green.
Fluorescent?
Yeah.
He's kind of got that.
He does.
You know?
He does. See the green in his
what I
mouth?
mean? Huh. Has that got that green?
It's got that green hue.
Yeah,
What is that all about?
Green look like those other ones. That one you caught off the dock.
Yep.
First got here.
Yep.
That one's got that.
It does. Off he goes. That's a nice fish. It's beautiful. Alright. Let's do it again. I knew out there would be fish. It's so weird. I lost him. Oh no, he's still on. He's just swimming at me. Maybe he's just sitting there with a fouled up lure. It's hard to tell if there's a fish or not. I had a fish. I think I just have a fouled up lure now. Oh no, he's there. Little guy. There you go. It's the best way to release them. I got one hitting it. Oh, that's a heavy fish, dude.
Is that a fish?
It's a heavy fish. That's a heavy fish right there.
Oh, baby.
Oh, oh, that's heavy. It's definitely in the 30s. I can't. Man. Oh, that's a beast. Oh, that's a beast. Oh. 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 That's a big fish, dude. Big fish.
Oh, I got my line. Fuck. Could have done it.
Oh, dude, that's a hog.
Oh, that's a hog.
Man, that's a hog.
You got my shit in there too.
I see
I
that.
should have got that up.
It's alright.
Get it up.
It's alright.
Here, let me get that off right away.
Wow, dude. That's a big fish. My rod. Oh, he's alligator rolling. Wow, dude. It's a big fish, dude. It's a big fish. That might be the biggest of the trip. We're gonna find out in a second here. That's a beast, dude. Look how fat he is. Look how fat that fish is. Dude.
Well, I cut your line.
I got him. A wild horse, dude. It's like a wild horse. Look at that. That's pushing upper 30s. Definitely pushing upper 30s. Just get him on a measure stick. Get a picture real quick. Here. Okay. measurement is. 36. Man, 36, baby. He's a fat one, though. Alright. Get a good release. He's all ready to swim. There he goes.
Where's our net?
Where is the net?
It ain't in the boat.
How the hell did that
I
happen?
don't know.
It was sitting right here.
No, I put it over there.
Really? So after all that thrashing with that monster, my net fell overboard somehow. Neither my dad or I saw it happen. But
It was just, where's the net?
yeah, now our monster net is gone. And my spoon was in the net. So maybe if we snag it on accident, we might get it back. But I think she's gone. I guess I'll look at the footage and see the exact moment when my net goes overboard. But now we're left with a little net. Big fish and a little net. It should be interesting. Where is this fish going? What's he doing? It feels like little head shakes. It's a little snake. Yeah. Let's see if I can get him to release. No. He's right in the front of his mouth. I hope your hook, is your hook removal tool in the net too? The hook wasn't in the fish anymore, so I didn't even use it. But I don't see it anymore. Whoa, 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 chill. Off you go. Oh, got one. Felt it. Another 20 something. Another 20 something. And there he goes.
That was great.
That was awesome. That was epic.
That was a good last day.
That was the best that was the best day.
3 photo fish for the
Yeah.
last day.
And then a couple other 30s. That was the most big fish I've caught in one burst besides the few days ago on Tuesday, Tuesday. That was insane. So this trip as a whole, the most insane fishing trip of my life. No doubt. Hope you all enjoyed Nick the Piker's Canada series. That was incredible. Didn't get my 40-incher, but it was non-stop action. A lot of 30-inch pike, a lot of upper 20s. That was the craziest pike fishing of my life. Next year, maybe we'll get the 40 plus next year, but I'm not going to stop coming here every year from now on. You guys are going to see the Canadian series, so hope you all enjoyed. Please like and subscribe to my channel so we can keep pushing forward, moving upward, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.